Morning. So in this series we are going to see the architecture of spacy model, and we are going to give you details how the config file of spacy is represented and what components it contains. So basically I will give you details and all those ideas. So config file, it contains various parameters and structures. So first one, there is a path for train and test. So path can be written in the square bracket, and here you can give train path, and also there is a dev path is nothing but the testing part, and here just you have need to provide all those paths. After that you have need to provide the components, and in the components you will need have to provide the various spacy types components, such as it consists of pipelines such as token2vec and then ner. If you want a parser, you can provide here parser. After that you can provide the tagger also here. After the components there is another path, it's a registry, and through the registry you can provide various language type models, and those models can be English model or other types of model. After registry, spacy requires the encoder. Through the encoder you can provide here. For encoder you can write here multi-hash encoder. Spacy uses the multi-hash encoder, like there are various types of encoder. Multi-hash embedding, sorry, it's not encoder, embedding. So it just converts the words into the embedding layer. After that it's embedding method, then it's encoding method, and at the last you will have to provide the which optimizer it uses. So here we can write the optimizer, and spacy particularly uses the Adam optimizer. You know basically what is Adam. And at the last it also consists of the epoch data training, how much epochs and batch size should be. So you can provide here what type of epochs or batch size you require. So basically that's config files, and I will going to give you all those screenshot of spacy's config file. Also I will going to share with you how it's working, and you can easily download that config file. And after downloading that config file you must pass the command by using syntax like python spacy, after that em, and here you have need to pass the file path config base config spacy saves it, and automatically it will going to start your model. After that that model, your model will be going to saved as a model based model. Model based is the model which has given the higher accuracy, and model last is the last iteration model. And by loading the model based you will get all those your name entity recognition types. So I will just going to see you how spacy config file is working. So spacy config I will type here, and you can easily browse that file without any issue. I am facing some here internet issue, so I cannot download here. So that's about it, friends. If you have any questions or doubt, please feel free to ask me. Thank you. Bye bye.